Balancing work and family life as a new mom can be challenging, but not impossible. There are many tips and strategies that can help you manage your time, energy, and emotions. Here are some of them. 1. Let go of the mom guilt. You are not abandoning your child by working full-time. You are providing for your family and setting a good example for your child. Remember that quality matters more than quantity when it comes to spending time with your child. Focus on being present and attentive when you are with them. 2. Find quality childcare. You want to feel confident and comfortable leaving your child in the care of someone else. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or coworkers. Interview potential nannies or babysitters, or tour local daycare centers. Look for signs of safety, cleanliness, professionalism, and responsiveness. 3. Make the mornings easier. Plan ahead the night before by packing lunches, laying out clothes, and showering. Set your alarm a few minutes earlier than usual to avoid rushing. Establish a routine that works for you and your family. For example, you can have breakfast together, read a story, or sing a song before you leave. 4. Separate work from home. When you are at work, focus on your tasks and responsibilities. Avoid checking personal emails, texts, or social media. When you are at home, disconnect from work-related devices and communications. Set boundaries with your boss and coworkers about when you are available and when you are not. 5. Schedule the time. Use a planner, calendar, or app to keep track of your appointments, deadlines, meetings, and events. Block out time for work, family, and yourself. Prioritize the most important and urgent tasks first. Delegate or outsource the less important or tedious ones. Learn to say no to requests or invitations that are not aligned with your goals or values. 6. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It is essential for your well-being and happiness. Make sure you get enough sleep, eat well, exercise regularly, and relax. Find activities that make you feel happy, calm, and energized. For example, you can meditate, read, listen to music, or take a bath. 7. Ask for or hire help. You don't have to do everything by yourself. You can ask for support from your partner, family, friends, or neighbors. You can also hire professional help for cleaning, cooking, laundry, or errands. This will free up some time and energy for you to focus on other things that matter more to you.